Hi guys, today I've got another little mould. This one is a little love heart. It's kind of like a paper sort of weight size, I'm not sure. I'm going to try and see how this turns out. I'm going to add some glitter to some epoxy resin, and the glitter is called Groot from Glitter Overload. So I'm just going to fill up this mould, and it's a bit bubbly. And I'll just let that cure for a few days, and we'll see what or how this little mould turns out. Okay, I'll be back with the unmoulding. Well, there you have it guys, the finished product. Well, this side's great. This side was a little bit of a disaster, that's hence the felt. And there's a lot of bubbles, so I'd probably have to, if I was going to do this again, probably pour it in 2 lots. Pour the first half, then the second half, but if you're just happy to have it like that, I think it's turned out great. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, and I'll catch you next time with some more resin mold testing. Bye, guys.